First at noon, with the recent summer surge of COVID-19 cases, the Centers for Disease Control says the best way for everyone, including vaccinated Americans, to stay safe is to once again wear masks indoors. Good afternoon, I'm Maribel Rodriguez. The recent spike in cases and new CDC guidelines has South Florida leaders on alert, and the mayor of Miami-Dade County is expected to hold a news conference in less than an hour about the recent surge. CBS 4's Peter Dench is live in downtown Miami with the latest. Peter?
Maribel, we can tell you that the mayor is going to be talking about steps to curb the surging coronavirus and hospitalizations. She's particularly concerned about the latest figures concerning the positivity rate, all this amid the new CDC recommendations. This morning, we spoke with people about them.
I feel like we should wear the mask, get things so we could get things moving a little bit more and get back to normal.
Jose Vargas applauds the latest major reversal by the CDC. It now recommends that all Americans, including those who have been vaccinated, wear masks indoors in areas where COVID is surging, fueled by the Delta variant. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, in an interview on CBS this morning, spoke out.
So there is no doubt that the reason that we have so much disease right now is because it has gone after those who are unprotected, unvaccinated. And the vast majority of transmission that is happening in this country is happening among unvaccinated people. The thing that's important, and that is new data that we've seen just in the last several days but corroborated several times, is that if you are vaccinated and you are one of those rare breakthrough infections, you actually have the capacity to pass it to somebody else.
Inside businesses like Enriqueta's Sandwich Shop in Miami, some customers also say they favor the CDC recommendations. How do you feel, Mom, about that, recommending wearing masks indoors, whether you're vaccinated or not?
I feel that they should have never taken it away. They should have never put down the guard of not wearing masks. We should have always continued to wear masks, and that's why we are where we are right now.
Patricia Rueda's 11-year-old daughter Rachel agrees.
I think that's a great idea because people are getting infected out of nowhere. And people think that because they have the vaccine, they still won't get COVID. Just because you have the vaccine doesn't mean you can't get COVID. You just won't get, there's not the highest possibility that you'll die.
The state says the latest positivity rate for coronavirus cases in Miami-Dade is 10.1%. The highly transmissible Delta variant in Florida is tied to 36.8% of cases. The CDC is also recommending universal masking for teachers, staff, students, and visitors at schools when classes resume. Now, the Broward School Board is discussing masks at a meeting that is getting underway right now. Meanwhile, Miami-Dade plans to run the recommendations by its health advisors. In Miami-Dade, classes resume on August 23rd. In Broward, it's sooner, August 18th. We're live in Miami. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.